This is an opportunity to check that your microphone is working correctly. Make sure your headset is on and microphone is on the downward position near your mouth. When you're ready, click the record button. This is okay. New research suggests that environmental contaminants found in the home and diet adverse effect on the male fertility in both humans and domestic dogs. Has been increased concern about declining the male fertility in case study with studies showing 50% growth sperm quality on past years. Environmental contaminants, environmental contaminants, fertility. New research suggests that environmental contaminants found in the home and diet have the same adverse effects on male fertility in both humans and domestic dogs. There has been increasing concern over declining human female fertility in recent decades, with studies showing a 30% global reduction in sperm quality in the past 80 years. Negative life outcomes such as dropping out of high school, nearly pregnancy are common among disadvantaged youth living in more unequal locations. Inequality can weaken people beliefs about social economic opportunity, like disadvantaged behavior, chance of upward mobility, social socio-economic. Negative life outcomes such as dropping out of high school and early pregnancy are more common among disadvantaged youth living in more unequal locations. Inequality can weaken people's belief and about socio-economic opportunity, which can reduce the likelihood that disadvantaged youth will engage in behaviors and that would improve their chances in upward mobility. How quick the economic recover after an economic shock it depends on behavior in private household. Using the complex theoretical model, economists demonstrated that growing uncertainty among private households can lead to an economic downturn. Private household, private household, complex theoretical model. Economists demonstrated complex theoretical model. How quickly is the economy recover after an economic shock depends on the behavior of private households. Using a complex theoretical model, economists demonstrated that growing income uncertainty among private households can lead to an economic downturn. In South America, something of animal has been lost. The doctor said the people do not do something to change their eye color. A study said the people should use something to protect players in the future. Eating popcorn makes us immune from appetizing. More mean poor country experience more hunger. There is a riding competition for children of the age of 7. Sao thấy hạn được ta? Ở đây. Number of workers with different level of qualification. No qualification, low qualification, intermediate qualification, degree holders or graduates. Okay. Number of workers with different levels of qualification. There is a very amazing image in front of me. By looking closer to the given image, I can see this about number of workers with different levels of qualification. According to the picture, level of qualification has the maximum number in 1985. However, degree holders has a minimum number in 2000. In addition, these numbers increase significantly in the first period, and then they are going down dramatically in the second period. After analyzing the picture, I can conclude that these numbers are going to increase in the future. Average mathematics scale score of 8th grade student by Parents Education 15. Cái này là gì đây? Cái này là average scale score, average score này. Còn cái này là graduate college. Okay. There is a very amazing image in front of me. By looking closer to the given image, I can see this about the average mathematics scale score of 8th grade. According to the image, graduate college has a maximum number which is 294. In addition, average scale score has a minimum number which is nearly 1% in 2000. In addition, these numbers increase significantly in the first period and then they are going down dramatically in the second period. After analyzing the picture, I can conclude that these numbers are going to increase in the future. The lecturer was talking about the birth languages, which is a very interesting topic, and then I can hear information about how the people say about thousands of languages in the world today, and then I can hear information about how the people deal with the birth languages, and then I can hear information about how the people say about languages are extremely different, and then I can hear information about how the people say that learning can occur, and then I can hear information about that it is a birth languages. In conclusion, I can say this is a biology which is a can learn language. The lecturer was talking about the new analysis, which is a very interesting topic. And then I can hear information about how the people deal with the flu infection. And then I can hear information about how the people deal with virus causes stress. And then I can hear information about how the people say about metabolism. And then I can hear information about how the people say about history of the 2000 orders. And then I can hear information about how the people get a flu shot. In conclusion, it is about risk of heart attack. Blood. Typewriter. Deadline. Homework 8.